Hey, beautiful people, and today we are going to learn on how to make a good looking CV on your MacBook or any laptop you're using, but we will use canva.com for free, and we will learn on how to make a CV. So first of all, what you have to do is search for an app called Canva. Okay, so once you Google Canva, you can come across this application, this software, this website. This is the best, easy, and an amazing. It's an Australian multinational website. So once you come in here and log in, you will see an interface like this. So what you have to do is click on this search engine and write down CV or resume, whatever you like. So what I'm going to do is click on CV template. You can see that. So you will have a lot of templates. You can make any template, use any template to make your CV, but be sure that anything that has this mark on them, they are the paid version. You have to pay for them. You can see that you have to pay for them. But whenever you don't see that sign, like on this, like on this, like on this, and on this, you can see you can choose them for free. So first we will select any application. For example, in my case, if I want to select this application, this seems good, and this seems a little low, clumsy, and what I'm going to do is click on it. Once you click on it, you can click on this template contain paid elements. So should we go for it? Yeah, we should go for it. We will delete those, or we should choose something else. If it's not paid, this one looks sober. I will select on this and we'll click on customize this template. Once you click on customize this template, you will see this template appear and you can edit it according to your need. For example, if I want to change the name, I want to just click on it and click on Khalid, and in here I want to delete it and write down Ahmed, for example, and it's a little bit far. I'm gonna pull that up like an editor and bring it closer. If you're a market manager, just keep it as it, or you want to just double click it and rewrite your whatever your niche is. In profile, you can write down anything you want. If you want to move this up, down, it totally moves according to your needs. You can do that. You can even select all the chat. You can do all that. In contact center, you can change the picture. If you want to change the picture, click on the picture. In here, what you have to do, double click it, or just click it and click on edit. In here you can either change it, but if you want to change this picture, what you have to do is click on upload in here on the left corner. And if you don't have an uploaded picture, click on upload from files from your computer. You can select any of the picture. For example, in my case, if I want to upload this K picture, for example, this K picture, I'm going to click OK. So this K picture will appear in here. I just have to drag it, just pull it up and drag it on that thing, on the picture of the guy, and leave it. You can see the picture appeared. So I am the picture. This is the CV. And in context, you can change the contents. You just want to click on that, double click it, and edit it and write according to it. You have an education side, you have a skill side, you have a language. In the middle of this, you want to work on your experience. So this is the work experience. Barcelo added it. You can edit anything. You can move this up and down, this dot, whatever you want. That's something that makes everything easy for you. You can see the dates on the side. So this is a quick tip. You want to delete these references because that's what not we needed. If you have references, you can add that too, but if you want to delete all of them, just pull them like this and click on exit like this one, and this will be deleted. Once you're done with your CV, what you have to do is click on share button, and in here make sure to always get that in PDF form, not never below the PDF form. So for example, we're done once with it. I'm going to click on share, and we want people with access. We just want to make sure and click on the download option. You can see in there, just click on the download. You can see it's suggesting you to download in PDF. You can go with the JPG, but I would suggest you to go with PDF because that's what's usually accepted. And click on download. You can see it's being downloaded. You just have to wait like hardly 10 seconds. And once it's downloaded, you could open up that file in the system and you can see, voila, your CV is ready. So this is the quickest, easy method how to make your CV in 5 minutes. And if you like this video, make sure to leave a comment below and subscribe to this channel. We'll see you in the video. Keep visiting Tig's Schooling.